Good morning student. Now we have to perform experiment to find out unknown resistance in series combination using meter bridge. In this particular experiment we are going to use two different resistance which have different resistances in ohms, like this is a 12 ohm and this one is 6 ohm. So we have to connect them in series. As you know, in series connection we connect negative of one resistance to the positive of other resistance. We have to connect negative of one resistance to the positive of other resistance and negative of this particular resistance to the this side of meter bridge and positive of this resistance to the this side of meter bridge, which is pretty much similar to the previous experiment. So now I have to connect negative side of battery to this side of meter bridge as we mention in this particular circuit, and I have to connect positive side of battery to the this side of meter bridge. Now in this gap I have to connect resistance box. See, this way I have to connect this resistance box to these two particular ends. Now I have to connect negative side of galvanometer to the to the meter bridge and positive side to the jockey, and I have to connect this particular end of resistance to meter bridge and negative side to this resistance. Now work is almost same. Like we done before, we have to switch on the battery, and firstly we have to check if I am placed jockey to this side, then galvanometer deflection should be in the opposite direction. See, now I am placing jockey to this side of meter bridge and deflection is to this side of galvanometer, and similarly I have to check here. See, I am placing my jockey to this side and galvanometer deflection is opposite. That means our connections are very much accurate. So now we can start doing experiment. So firstly I have to select any random resistance from this particular resistance block. Let's suppose I am taking out resistance of 20 ohm. Now I have to move this jockey over this wire and check at what point I get zero deflection. See, I am getting null deflection at point 33. So this AD point is my L and this remaining is my 100 minus L. So now formula is same. So I have to use formula R is equals to 100 minus L divided by L multiplied by R. R should be this 20 ohm jo we have taken from resistance box. So you have to put these values in this particular circuit. So firstly you have done that experiment for R1 only, for this resistance only. So you have to put this value in this circuit. Then you have to do same experiment with only this resistance. You have to put this value in this observation table. Then you have to use two resistances in series combination. Whatever you get value regarding particular resistance in from the resistance box, so you have to put this value in this observation table. So next part is calculation. So calculation में experimentally value जो आप observe करोगे R1 and R2 की in series combination, you have to put that value here. And theoretical value क्या है? As I told you, this one is 12 ohm and this one is 6 ohm, and total resistance in this circuit is 12 plus 6, that is 18 ohm. Whatever you get answer in experimental value plus theoretical value, you have to find out its difference, and plus you have to find out percentage error in that, and you have to write its experimental value plus observed value and percentage error in results. Thank you.